is Martina at the Flora Faunaful channel. I know some of you at the Shindig have been having some difficulties pronouncing my channel name, but this is Toby. He's been watching the Shindig with me today, and he's my big cheese, my favorite little guy. He's actually the only guy of the house. He's my man of the house. And that's Lizzie. And they've just been fed, so they're all happy. So today I really wanted to talk to you about my favorite online sources. And here I have made some notes, and I will try to put the links down below to all of them. It might take me a little bit of doing, but I will definitely help you. And this is a great thing. And not a complete list probably, but enough to get you started. So a lot of you probably know Roots and Refuge. That's a great YouTube channel, and a lot of important information and exciting information. I also like the BackyardFarmer YouTube channel. It is from the University of Nebraska in Lincoln, and they have a great television show which is streamed on YouTube. Again, another great YouTube channel is the Living Traditions Homestead. Very, very good, and I can really recommend it. Here's a couple of UK-based gardens and allotments. For example, the CollieryGarden and Lavender and Leeks. Great, both really, really good information and wonderful girls, and it really shows you that you can do a lot on your own. Another one that I like is Garden Answer, and that just gives you so many ideas to make not only your garden productive but also pretty. I love the Holler Homestead, and I'm really hoping to find out if they've gone through with their deal for their new house. Very exciting. I'm really excited for them. Another UK simple gardening podcast or channel is Clairesallotment. I think you'd enjoy watching that if you're new to gardening. Not really with gardening, but I love MrsHinch. She's helped me clean my house, even though right now it's full of cat hair because it is getting quite warm here in the UK. A couple non-gardening things, but something that you can use with your garden. Winepress.us and winesathome.co.uk. Two great winemaking forums, and I definitely can recommend the winesathome.co.uk. That's my boyfriend Bob's website, and we actually met on the winepress.us website. There are podcasts that I love to listen to, especially when I'm gardening. You'll see me a lot on my videos with some headphones on, and I'll give you a list of what I like to listen to while I'm gardening. And one of my favorites, and I've been listening to it forever and a day, is Gardening with Angelo. I think you can get it on the iHeartRadio network. He's from my hometown of Cleveland, Ohio, and he's on the radio on Saturday mornings, WTAM if you are from Cleveland and you want to listen to it live and call in. It's great. I love Angelo, and the Petite Garden Centers are a great garden center. I did a lot of shopping there when I was home the last time in March. Also, the Livinghomegrown podcast with Teresa Lowe. Great podcast. Gives you so many different ideas of what you can do with your with things out of your garden. And it's living and gardening without farming without the farm, is what she likes to say, and I really definitely can suggest that. She's on a bit of a hiatus this year, but if you haven't listened to any of her podcasts, you have plenty to catch up on, so you won't be missing her as much as the regular listeners are. I also love Gardener's Question Time. Without a doubt, it is the greatest podcast. I just absolutely love it. I'm really going to miss Eric Robson when he's no longer on there. The Modern Homesteading podcast is a great podcast. I listen to it all the time when I'm in my car. It is absolutely wonderful. Gardener's Corner is based in Ireland, and also a very, very good podcast. Maybe not so much with gardening, but when you are outside and just enjoying being outside, I love to listen to Things You Should Know. It's a great podcast. It's not too long. It comes in short little segments, and definitely worth listening to. There's a couple of television shows that I can really suggest. Is the Victorian Kitchen. Ooh, there he goes. The Victorian Kitchen Garden. That is, you can get that on DVD. You can't really find it online, and if you can, that's great. But I've never been able to find it. It is. I probably watch it more than any other television show ever. I know basically everything by heart. So definitely take a look at it. It will be very good. On Friday nights, and I think it should be coming back soon, is Gardener's World with Monty Don. Love it. It's always very helpful and very good, and I really do enjoy it. And then last but not least is the Beechgrove Garden. It's a television show from the BBC. It's based in Scotland, and it is a television show, they're gardens that are specifically made for a television show, and they tell you all sorts of neat things. They show you how things do from year to year. Very good. Hands down, I love this show. So this is kind of a quick video, and I just wanted to give you some online tips. I'm going to go back to watching the shindig, but I hope you found this helpful. Please subscribe down below, or up there, or down there, or I don't know. I hope I'm not too boring. I know that some people might shut me off if I'm boring, but thank you for watching. I really do appreciate it, and sorry for the mess. I'm now going to be doing a little bit of hinching. Take care. Bye-bye.